Next up is our 30 liter. So sitting between our 18 and 35, our 30 liter is perhaps the most versatile bag that we offer in our collection. The main reason for that is that it has 3 types of access. There is a top access where you can either store your drone, accessories, or any other type of equipment, but also if you want to remove that top tray, you can have access directly into the pack. You do have the option to access the equipment on the side, so really convenient for quick access to all of your gear. And then last but not least, you have a full back panel access to all of your equipment. Speaking of access and back panel, looking at these dividers, the 30 liter comes with 2 large dividers, 2 medium dividers, as well as 4 bridges here, so 4 small dividers. So tons of options when it comes to organization, depending on what you're carrying that day. The back panel offers a laptop sleeve, fits up to 16-inch laptop, or obviously a tablet in there, more mesh pockets or more storage. Comes like our other backpacks with the breathable padded shoulder straps. The shoulder straps also has the sternum adjustment. You have a really easy ergonomic sternum adjustment to really optimize that comfort. So if you're carrying a heavy load throughout the day, you want to make sure that the pack is nice and snug. So that sternum adjustment is a nice small feature to really offer that premium comfort. Breathable back panel pack, obviously, to make sure that there's some circulation, you don't get too hot carrying the pack. There is also padded and breathable waist belt. There's an option with the waist belt to remove it as well. Some folks prefer it. Obviously, it offers a great lumbar support, but if you think it's in the way or don't feel you need that, or you might not go for too much of a long carry, you can easily remove it and have the 30 liter without it. From a gear standpoint, you can probably fit 1 to 2 large lenses, 1 to 2 camera bodies, GoPro, drone, and tons of accessories, as you've seen with all the pockets. Last feature that I want to mention is the side access or side storage. There is obviously 2 straps with our 9 hook to put tripod, as well as a gusset pocket to put any water bottle or any other accessories or equipment you'd want to store.